Session 16 of Unit 2 of 5th Sem Taxation, BBA, Mangalore University. In session 16, we shall study deductions under section 80GG, 80GGA, 80GGB and 80GGC. You need to understand about these deductions. You need to comprehend the method of computation of deductions under these sections. Let us see section 80GG, deduction in respect of rents paid. An employee who is not in receipt of house rent allowance from his employer or a self-employed person can claim relief in respect of rent paid by him towards furnished or unfurnished residential accommodation occupied by him. The deduction is least of the following amounts: excess of rent paid over 10% of total income, 25% of total income, and rupees 5,000 per month. The total income means gross total income after deducting the deductions allowable under section 80C to 80U except under section 80GG. The conditions are the assessee, his spouse or minor child, or the HUF of which he is a member does not own any residential house at the place where he ordinarily resides or performs duty or employment or carries on his business or profession. If he owns the residential house at any other place and he chooses this house for claiming concession regarding self-occupied house, no deduction shall be allowed. The assessee files a declaration in form number 10BA. Next is section 80GGA, deduction in respect of donations for scientific research or rural development. 100% of sums paid shall be deducted. Sums paid to an approved research association or to a university or college to be used for scientific or social science research. Sums paid to a rural development fund. Sums paid to a public sector company, local authority for promoting social and economic welfare. Sums paid to the National Urban Poverty Eradication Fund. Section 80GGB, deduction in respect of contributions given by an Indian company to political parties. Any sum contributed by an Indian company to any political party or an electoral trust shall be allowed as deduction. However, no deduction shall be allowed in respect of any sum contributed by way of cash. Section 80GGC, deduction in respect of contributions given by any person to political parties. Any amount contributed by any individual to any political party or an electoral trust shall be allowed as deduction. No deduction shall be allowed in respect of any sum contributed by way of cash. Let us see the recap of this session. 80GG, deduction in respect of rent paid. 80GGA, deduction in respect of donations for scientific research or rural development. 80GGB, deduction in respect of contributions given by an Indian company to political parties. 80GGC, deduction in respect of contributions given by any person to political parties. References: